Hello, everyone, and welcome to Module 14 of our Small Business Certified AI Strategist program. In our previous modules, we explored selecting AI tools, building RFPs, and integrating stakeholder feedback. Now we turn our focus to value analysis, the critical step where we quantify and qualify the business impact of each proposed AI solution. By the end of this module, you'll know exactly how to produce a data-driven value analysis that commits your clients to a clear ROI timeline or percentage using the value analysis template in the same chat context that you used for the AI tool description and RFP. So in this module, we'll address first combining qualitative and quantitative metrics for a holistic view of this AI tool. Second, the total cost of ownership, or TCO, the ROI, and the intangible benefits, the pillars of any robust value assessment. Third, the risk assessment to highlight any potential pitfalls. And fourth, using the value analysis template and prompting ChatGPT or Claude in the same context window to generate a polished, data-driven report. Before creating your value analysis document, ensure that you're continuing the same conversation or chat context that contains your AI tool description and RFP. This approach allows the model, whether it's ChatGPT or Claude, to reference the relevant data without missing any crucial details. Remember, the value analysis template covers sections like the executive summary, the current versus the future state, the ROI analysis, the risk and compliance considerations, and more. You'll be feeding your existing AI tool report, plus the brand information you extracted earlier from the brand positioning framework to add context. So to generate your draft value analysis, you'll use a prompt that instructs the AI to act as an expert consultant, leveraging the AI tool report, the brand positioning data, and the value analysis template. And here's an example prompt that you can copy and paste into ChatGPT or Claude. The prompt goes something like this. Pretend that you're an expert consultant in AI transformation. One of your analysts created this AI tool report that identifies an opportunity in the operations of a business where AI can streamline operations. Use your reasoning and data analyst capabilities to derive a comprehensive value analysis using the template provided. The company that this value analysis is for is, and then insert what the customer does from the brand positioning framework. Do not fabricate any statistics or data without sources. Attached is the first AI tool report, and attached is the value analysis template. You want to attach both, and please create the value analysis following the template provided. This prompt, which is very detailed, ensures the model references both the AI tool report and your value analysis template. Because you're in the same chat context, it can recall details from the RFP, brand positioning, MICE and robust scores, and any stakeholder wish statements. Once ChatGPT or Claude generates the first draft of the value analysis, be sure to review it carefully. You want to make sure that there's no fabrication. The prompt specifically disallows for inventing data, but be sure to confirm any numbers or percentages they align with your known baseline or sources. And then second, you want clarity on any ROI calculation. So be sure to check the model's math on ROI, total cost of ownership, or the payback periods are consistent with the real data that exists. And then third, compliance and risk. You want to verify that any of the industry-specific regulations that surround your client are accurately addressed in the risk and compliance considerations section. And then lastly, brand alignment. You want to make sure that the tone and the benefits reflect the brand identity you've established for the organization. If you spot any inaccuracies or missing pieces, provide follow-up instructions like please remove or revise any unverified metrics or expand on intangible benefits, focusing on employee satisfaction. This iterative process refines the analysis to fit real-world constraints. After finalizing your value analysis within ChatGPT or Claude, copy and paste the output into a Word document or Google document. Label it as value analysis for insert the AI tool name. This step is crucial because it helps with collaboration, version control, and record keeping. So you're going to perform this same value analysis for every single AI tool that's in the 12-month roadmap. You're not going to present this to the client just yet. you're going to create several of these. There will be one value analysis for each of these. Although you may not present the value analysis to the broader organization just yet, it's critical to ensure that the KPIs and the measurable outcomes that you're defining for each of these AI tools in the document are accurately measurable. Once the AI tool is implemented, these same KPIs will serve as kind of the yardstick for success. They will be regularly monitored by finance, operations, or you to confirm that the project is meeting or exceeding its projected return on investment. When you do end up sharing these value analyses with the key stakeholders like the CFO, the CEO, project sponsors, or executives, you want to make sure that you emphasize the quantitative gains, any cost savings, faster throughput, increased revenue opportunities. Make sure that you emphasize the intangible benefits like brand reputation, improved morale, innovation leadership. And then you also want to emphasize any risk mitigation like the improved data quality or vendor stability or compliance shifts. Be sure to reiterate that these value analyses, they are a commitment, not just a forecast. Once the organization signs off on these value analyses, they're agreeing to both the KPIs that will be measured and the ROI and the payback schedule projected. Keeping tabs on these metrics after go live will foster a culture of accountability that validates the AI project's strategic merit, and it provides an early warning system if actual performance deviates from what was expected. So when we zoom out and we think about the AI stack itself will have a value to the business. The AI stack is made up of several components. These components are the tools that you're identifying, the tools that you're designing, and the tools that you'll be rolling out in the organization for the next 12 months. Each one of the tools, their own KPIs for success and their own individual ROI. Cumulatively, these tools will work together to really move the needle for the business. So you will have a value analysis for each tool that you recommend in the organization. Now, that brings us to the end of Module 14, the AI tool value analysis section, where you've learned how to both use quantitative and qualitative metrics, how to incorporate the total cost of ownership, ROI, and intangible benefits through analysis. You've learned how to conduct a risk assessment so stakeholders can understand the potential pitfalls. You've learned how to employ the value analysis template in the same chat context as your AI tool description and RFP to rapidly generate your first draft and to iterate on a compelling data-driven report. Now in Module 15, we're going to finalize our research by wrapping up the AI tool scorecard for each tool that has been designed before we finalize budgeting and the road mapping stages. We'll see you there.